Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we have an incredible product to review, the Calfa Turbo Racing 176 Scale Drift RC car with Gyro Mini Full Proportional RTR 2.4GHZ remote control. This amazing car comes with two replaceable body shells, high simulation headlights, LED lights on the chassis, and a THR-curve upgrade for a more exciting driving experience. The high simulation headlights with a spotlight effect and double flash function make this car stand out from the rest. The Type-C charging port and 55 mAh battery capacity ensure a long working time of up to 30 minutes, and the DR movable car shell allows you to customize your car with two extra body shells included as a bonus. But that's not all. The tail light stoplights feature adds a cool and realistic touch to your car, with stoplights turning on during braking. This Calfa Turbo Racing RC car is the perfect gift for yourself or your loved ones, whether it's for Christmas or any occasion. So what are you waiting for? Get your own Calfa Turbo Racing RC car now by clicking the link in the description and experience the thrill of racing in style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Happy racing!